Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris. Welcome to the channel and welcome to SeaWorld San Antonio, where the parking situation still is a mystery to everyone. So why is it a mystery? I do apologize for the wind if you're hearing it. With my pass, I have up close parking. Then there's VIP, I guess, and then there's VIP Plus. Just gonna break in here real quick. I kept saying up close parking when I should have been saying VIP parking. I have a Platinum Pass, which entitles me to the VIP parking, but when I went through the toll gate, they gave me an up close pass, which had me parking even farther back than what usual. And as you see from the footage, there's nobody parked in the VIP. So either there's a miscommunication there somewhere with the people in the tolls, or they were out of VIP papers, so they're just giving everybody up close and nobody was parking in the VIP. So I don't know what to do about the parking situation. It just continues to be bad. My parking is supposed to be up close, but up close is now back behind the blue pylons. And then this is VIP, where you can see nobody's parked at. And then the front row up here is VIP Plus. Nobody can explain it. The ambassadors can't explain it. I don't think customer service can explain it. I don't get it. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to go inside after the long, tedious walk to the front of the park with my up close pass, which doesn't mean shit anymore. And see what's going on at SeaWorld. I'm inviting you to come along. Come along. Let's take a look over the fence line at Rescue Junior Coaster, see what's developed since the last time we've been here. The footers have been poured. Now just waiting to go vertical. Weighing a lot of rock. Back in the Wave Breaker Court, they moved these two flat rides for the kids. Don't ask me what they're called. I don't remember. They're from Bay of Play. Keep the kids happy while Rescue Junior is being worked on. Back over here by the entrance to the penguin exhibit and Catapult Falls. And there are 4 boats back behind the maintenance shed. Interesting. Catapult Falls is running. I think it's a wee cold to be doing this, but there are a few brave souls in line that are riding it. I'm sure we're going to have somebody drop down here in a moment. Probably can't see it behind the tree. Yeah, you get a little wet. Here comes another one. This is the last day for Christmas in the park and Christmas celebration. So first time I got to check out the jump ropers. It's pretty slick. And they're done. Nice job, guys. Good job. They stop at 3 different places throughout the park. But you have to wait till next year to see them. Wow. Yay! Looks like Sea Swinger's down for a little maintenance. I still haven't ridden this. Probably should. It's not that intimidating. You know, it's just like that little Viking boat thing. I've ridden that one. Riptide Rescue, I think it's called. That one's fun. Hello, flamingos. How are you doing today? Hope you're ready for some cold weather. The Journey to Refreshment Coca-Cola stand is now open. We have the freestyle machines and the regular fountain drinks. They also have slush machines, but I think they're offline today. Or I don't see them. One or the other. It's on the website. On the SeaWorld website, there is a drink cup that you can purchase for $60. I don't think that comes with a pass holder discount, but supposedly you can buy that cup and then all year long you have free refills, Coke products and slushies and things like that at any of the places around the park. I haven't seen the cups at any stands, so I'm not quite sure how it works. Do you buy the cup and they mail it to you? Do you buy the cup and you get a voucher and then you go to guest services and turn it in for the cup? I don't know. If I find out more, I'll let you know. Here's the other side of the Bay of Play, soon to be Rescue Junior area. Making some progress. Here's a look at Tidal Surge. In winter mode, only got one side working. As you can see, there's still Christmas decorations out. They'll still be out for a little bit. And then Bayside Theater, which is only used for They're calling it, I think they call it Electric Ocean. They use it sparingly through the summer months, and then it sits empty the rest of the time. So is this the best use for this facility now that they no longer have a ski show year round? You tell me. Something else that's happening here at SeaWorld San Antonio is that if you go over here by Steel Eel, over by Currents, right across from Currents, there's a guest services stand. You'll scan your annual pass, and you scan it 15 times, you'll get a pass to enter into the Rescue Junior area before it opens. They also give prizes. They also give some discounts as you go. Like first time you get like a popcorn and a pretzel, popcorn or a pretzel, and I think after like 10 times you get like a discount or SeaWorld bucks, something like that. I don't know all the details, but if I can go 15 times so that I can go see Rescue Junior before it opens to everybody else, I'd like to do that. We'll see if we can do that. That's going to do it from SeaWorld San Antonio as the temperature starts to drop and the sun sets. Thanks for coming along. Got to do a construction update on the Rescue Junior area. Couldn't find that cup anywhere in the park. I'll have to do some investigations for more on that, but I know it's available, I just don't know where. Coming up on the channel, we have Mardi Gras coming up, not only for here at SeaWorld, but also at Six Flags. Those are always a good time. Can't wait to throw beads at people at Six Flags, and food here at SeaWorld is just fantastic. So I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully you'll be too. If you haven't subscribed already, if you haven't subscribed yet, you should go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below. Maybe even give it a thumbs up and a like. Thanks again for watching. And now for something completely different. Good night.
Thank you.